निशा और आज हम कर रहे हैं मार्च के करंट अफेयर के क्वेश्चन। तो देखते हैं। विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अलॉन्ग विद USDFC हैज़ अनाउंस्ड अ USD 41 million लोन गारंटी फॉर रूफटॉप सोलर प्रोजेक्ट इन इंडिया। तो द यूनाइटेड स्टेट एजेंसी फॉर इंटरनेशनल डेवलपमेंट एंड USA इंटरनेशनल डेवलपमेंट फाइनेंशियल कॉर्पोरेशन हैज़ अनाउंस्ड a USD 41 million loan guaranteed program. It is intended to sponsor loan to Indian small medium enterprises access the reliable power including rooftop solar project. Scientists of which organization have developed a integrated high election mobility transistor? तो IICBC Bangalore Research Institute research scientists from IISc Bangalore have developed India's first high electron mobility transistor made from the gallium nitride. These are the normally off device and switch current up to 4A. They have capability to operate 600 volt. The device find the extensive use in electronics car. What is the Bacol GVD that has been new recently? So it is a Russian telescope. Scientist Russian has developed a telescope name is Bacol JVD. As per the recent UN report, which country is recorded large increase in a child and material death in South Asia 2020? The report of direct and indirect effect of COVID-19 pandemic and response in South Asia was released. तो इसका सही आंसर है इंडिया. As per the recent UNE Trade Deployment Report 2020 date, what is the project growth rate India 2021? तो 5%. UNE conference on trade and development release out of the frying pan into the fire report are updated to Trade and Development Report 2020. As per the report, the global economy set up grow to 4% to increase the faster 4.3% predict this year faster than economy projected to 5% show the stronger recovery. Indian Navy carried out a passenger exercise with which country is the Persian Gulf under the Operation Sankalp. तो Indian Navy carried out passage exercise with Royal Bahrain Naval Force in Persian Gulf Operation Sankalp. तो Bahrain. Niti Aayog has a partner with the technology major to train the student in the cloud computing. Amazon web series Girl Gang, a track by a New Zealand singer Ginny Wingmore, has been announced officially song, which is a tournament 2020 ICI Women World Cup. मुख्यमंत्री चिरंजीव योजना इज इनिशिएटिव विच इंडियन स्टेट? तो राजस्थान. मुख्यमंत्री चिरंजीव योजना इज द इनिशिएटिव ऑफ विच इंडियन स्टेट? राजस्थान चीफ मिनिस्टर अशोक गहलोत अनाउंस दैट द यूनिवर्सल हेल्थ स्कीम विल बी अनाउंस्ड 1 मई 2020. द स्कीम इज नेम इज मुख्यमंत्री चिरंजीव योजना विद एन आउटलेट 35 crore in the upcoming financial year. Under this scheme, cashless health service up to 5 lakh will be provided all family in the state. Which international bloc is the latest join? India is a coalition of disaster resilient infrastructure initiative. The European Union has recently joined the Indian coalition of the disaster resilient infrastructure initiative. The initiative launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi 1920 climate change summit. It aimed to promote the resilience of new existing infrastructure system and exist climate and disaster risk. तो यूरोपियन यूनियन ने ज्वाइन किया है. विच कंट्री हैज़ रिसेंटली पास्ड अ लीगलाइजेशन टू लीगलाइज इथोनेसिया? तो स्पेन इज अ पार्लियामेंट पास अ लो legalization इथोफेसिया thereby becoming one of the few nations to allow the Ethiopia to assist the suicide to terminal ill and grave injury patient. What is the India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2021? इंडियाज़ की क्या है हैप्पीनेस रिपोर्ट है 2021 में? तो 139. The World Happiness Report of 2021 has been released recently, but the UN Sustainable Development Solution Network As per the report, measured well-being relying three main indicators: life, evolution, positive emotions, and negative emotion. Out of the 149 country, India has been 139. Finland is the happiest country as per the report. Which institution developed the Energy Swaraj Bus Yatra? Which institution developed the Energy Swaraj Yatra bus? IIT Bombay. The Union Minister Shri Rameshwar Pokhriyal Nishank took a ride Energy Swaraj Yatra bus. This bus has been designed and developed by Dr. Chetan Singh Solanki, Professor IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. It is a vehicle that runs on solar power energy to complete the work. Come residential unit. What is the name of India's first individual development app store? तो मोबाइल सेवा ऐप स्टोर. द मोबाइल सेवा ऐप स्टोर इंडियन first individual development app store. It is a host more than 965 live app belong to the various domains and categories. It has been started by the IT minister that through the government encourage private player. It is equally interested in develop our app platform equal to the private player. Which country has hosted a peace conference for Afghanistan recently? Russia. Which country hosted a peace conference for Afghanistan recently? Russia. Russia has recently hosted a peace conference for Afghanistan. This conference brought together the represented the government as well the. Which organization has extended its support for India H2O Waterwise program? UNESCO has been partnered with United School Organization, India Water Digital Magazine, and Tone Media Group for Water Conservation Awareness Program. The H2O Waterwise program to conduct a school student in partnership with the National Mission to Clean the Ganga. The animation video created student will launch it by March, the World Water Day. Which country is the conduct airborne radar service to estimate the thickness of the Himalaya glacier? Which country conduct the airborne radar survey to estimate the thickness of Himalaya glacier? India is the reconduct airborne radar survey to estimate the thickness of the Himalaya glacier. A pilot study to be conducted Rahul Spits, Main, Himachal Pradesh. After the pilot project, similar study conducted by the Indus Ganga Brahmaputra sub basin. National Center of Polar Ocean Research. National Center for Polar and Ocean Research. Ministry of Earth Science proposed the survey. Which state has recently launched Dial 112 ERSS and State Emergency Response Center? Odisha. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has been launched Dial 112 Emergency Response Support System. Worth is 157 crore. People can call the total free number for all emergency service including police, fire and health in the state. The State Emergency Response Center. The State Emergency Response Center and emergency response vehicle fitted with the mobile data terminal were also integrated. As per the National Account Static 2021, the private final consumption expenditure of which sector had to steepest rise to health? As per the National Account Static release MOSP, the private final consumption expenditure for health, education, restaurant recorded an increase in 19 to 20, the highest increase in recorded in the field of health at 9.5%, followed by education and restaurant. When the International Day of Happiness celebrated across the world as the proclaimed by the UNA? When the International Day of Happiness celebrated across the world as proclaimed by the UNA? Peace March. The United Nations Assembly, the United Nations General Assembly in the year 20 proclaims 20 March the International Day of Happiness. It has been celebrated across the world since 2013 to recognize the importance of happiness of them. In Sionji Constitution is the news recently. What is the IN stand for? India. When the World Sparrow Day celebrated? When the World Sparrow Day celebrate 20 March 1. Sparrow Day celebrate 20 March. Sarnath Kamal Sathyanth Mukherjee, who is the recently news qualified the Olympic player which sport table tennis. Sarnath Kamal Sathyanth Mukherjee, who were the recently qualified the Olympic player which sport table tennis. Where was the Indian TV Samiti organized virtual mode? Who is the head of government committee for manufacturing in the high technology area? Piyush Goyal. The government of India is set to form an empowered committee for manufacturing in high technology area as per the official notification. The committee is to be headed by Union Minister of the Commerce and Industry Shri Piyush Goyal. This move is expected to improve the investment and promote manufacturing in technology intensive sector. India has entered into an agreement with which country to accelerating patent protection. India has entered into agreement with Japan for allowing each other to parent officers to act as an international searching authority and international pre-examining authority. This would be accelerate the process of drafting, filing, and negotiating the patient application to both country. This has been decided during the fourth review meeting pilot patient precaution highway program between two countries. Who is Newroj? Indian and Persian New Year festival. Newroj is the Iranian and Persian New Year festival. India has participated in Norjo celebration held in Secretary of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization in Brazil. SCO is an intergovernmental organization consisting of China, Russia, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, India, Pakistan. It is the headquarter in Beijing, China. 2011 Istanbul Convention, which is making new recently. It is associated with issue domestic violence and gender equality. The Council of Europe Accord created an Istanbul. Divyansh Singh Panwar and Elavin Virulence, who is recently associated with which sport? तो इंडिया यंग शूटर दिवांशु सिंह बनवार शूटिंग से रिलेटेड है. एलिविना इज अ गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट 10 मीटर एयर रिफाइल मिक्स टीम इवेंट एट द ISSF वर्ल्ड कप which is being held in Delhi. Another Indian shooter, Janman Sukoon, won the bronze medal in the women's cricket event. Earlier in India is a woman. Navyog Yokag is the first indigenous knowledge system school has been integrated in which state? Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khedu has been integrated the state first formal indigenous language and knowledge system school name as a Newbie Nigam Yuak. The school will help to promoting the preserving indigenous traditional culture and language. 3 crore has been allocated to development and maintenance the school. PUBI Antinem 2021 the joint anti-terrorism exercise is held by which organization? तो Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Which country is to hold the group Arabian Sea warfare exercise near Gulf of the Oman? तो USA. Pepsu Muzara movement was a farmer movement that happened in which in India state Punjab. Pepsu. The Muzara movement had been started in 1930s in Punjab village. The province was called Pepsu after independence because being name is Punjab. Muzara means landless farmer who worked on someone's land. This movement was started to take a ownership right to land after tilling the year. Finally, people got ownership right in 1952 after paying one-time compensation. The movement was remembered in Punjab and former protest site in New Delhi recently. What is the name of the bond that offer dedicate insurance against volcanic corruption? तो volcano bond. Custodial bond are indebted to insurance damage for the natural disaster like earthquake and storm. When the damage occurred due to the volcano eruption, the bond is called volcano bond. A first such volcano bond has been issued by the Danish Red Cross dedicated insurance against volcano corruption. The project aimed to raise much 3 million. Nikhat Jareen and Gaurav Solanki. Nikhat Jareen and Gaurav Solanki of the Indian are associated with sport, तो boxing. Kamalpreet Kaur, who have been selected in Tokyo Olympic associated with sport, to discus throw. Kamalpreet Kaur, 25-year-old discus throw India has made it to Tokyo Olympic squad. During the qualification event, she set a national record on 65.06 meter, improving her own record 4 meter. Another Western, Seema Punia, finished second event 62 points. Which day is celebrated UN this year in 21 March with the theme Forest Restoration, a path to recover and well-being. International Day of Forest. 21 March observed the United Nations and International Day of Forest. This day is commemorates the importance of green forest covered around the world. The theme for the year International Day of Forest is Forest Restoration, the part of recovery well-being. Which organization celebrate the World Poetry Day on 21 March? The World Poetry Day is celebrated every year 21 March by UNESCO. It is the first adopted by UNESCO in 30th General Conference Paris in year 1999. This day honors poetry across the globe, promoting reading, writing, and teaching the poetry. It supports linguistic diversity through the poetry expression. Which union minister is set to implement Ken Betwa project? तो जल शक्ति मिशन, जल शक्ति ministry. The Union Ministry of Jal Shakti is all set to implement the first river interlinking project in India, Kenwa Betwa project. The project aimed to link Ken River or Madhya Pradesh and Betwa in Uttar Pradesh. The ministry sought a public investment board approval to implementing the project as a national project. Which Indian organization demonstrate free space quantum communication for first time? ISRO. Which country is holding a fourth parliament election in the last 2 years? Israel. Which country is holding the fourth parliament election on the last year? Israel. The Union Cabinet report the memorandum of cooperation between the country and Water Corporation Japan. Which Union Ministry to set up to launch the Poshan Abhiyan for the Elder? Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Which Indian film won Best Feature Film Award 26th National Film Award? तो Marakkar, Lion of the Arabian Sea. The Purvanchal Festival Mati. The Purvanchal Festival Mati is celebrated in which of the state? New Delhi. To celebrate the spirit of Purvanchal and the people living the Delhi NCR to initiative called Mati launched in year 2018 New Delhi. The year is 4th edition to Purvanchal Mati was celebrated New Delhi. Which PSU launched e-trading portal named Praneeth Power Grid? The Union Power Minister Maharashtra PSU Power Grid has launched e-tendering portal. Praneeth has portal aimed to making the tendering process by Power Grid more transparent and decrease the paperwork in the process. This portal has been certified by the Standardization, Testing and Quality Certification Electorate, Ministry of Electron and Information Technology. Defense Minister has signed a 1050 crore deal with which company for procurement of 1300 light combat vehicle? तो Mahindra Defense System Limited. Which state UT has lowered the age of alcohol consumption from 25 to 21? Delhi. What is the new limit of EPF contribution up to the interest would be tax expense as per the amendment bill finance bill 2021 5 lakh. Employment Provided Fund. The finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman has recently increased the deposit threshold limit 5 lakh per annum in Employee Provident Fund. For this, interest would be tax exempt if there is no employee contribution during the budget 2020. The minister announced that interest earned by the EPF contribute above 2.5 lakh will be taxable from 1 April. The Union Minister of Education has integrated the Shaheed Bhagat Singh Smark in which state? New Delhi. Which global rating agency released report titled Global Economical Outlooks GCO Fitch Rating? What is the name of the new scheme launched by the Power Minister to provide LED bulb at cheap price? तो Gram Ujala. Power New Renew Energy Minister Raj Kumar Singh recently launched a Gram Yojana scheme in Varanasi. The scheme is provide the world cheapest LED bulb in rural area 10. Earlier this week, his minister launched the Gram Ujala scheme in Bihar. It provides LED bulb then exchange of work condition for individual lamp. Each household is fine. Which country, after being hit by several thought it is a ration water 1 million household? Taiwan. What is the rank of India's latest International Intellectual Property Index 40? What is the theme of World TV Day? Clock is ticking. World TV Day 2021. Clock is ticking. Which country has recently proposed a UN-sponsored plan to end civil war? Yemen. Saudi Arabia. As per the Bank America Security Report, by which year India is expected to be the third largest economy in the world? 2031. Union Cabinet has approved MOU between UPSC of India and it is a counterpart in which country? Afghanistan. Where was the 116th meeting of the Permanent Indus Commission between India and Pakistan held? New Delhi.